Welcome, my dear students, on this amazing learning platform, Learn Forward. I am your science teacher, and I'm here to teach you science with this book, Link with Science with Feathercap. And this is the chapter number 8 of your grade 2. And the title says that we are going to here learn about how can you keep yourself safe. So keeping safe. Okay. So in this chapter, we will learn about safety. So let's start. Look at the picture given below. Take the right actions and cross the wrong ones. So this boy is flying kite in the middle of the road. The vehicle can come from either way. So this is a wrong action. This girl is lighting a matchstick for lighting a burner. So again, because no elder person is with her, so that means this is a wrong action. Can hurt herself. The children are just taking their heads out of the window of the bus while they are on board. Okay, so this is again a wrong action. The boy is walking on the road, and it is seeing that he is following the left part, maybe just close to the footpath. So this is a right action. Okay, now safety means keeping ourselves away from harm. So we are only safe when we keep ourselves away from harm. We must learn to keep ourselves safe. The rules we should follow to keep ourselves safe are called safety rules. So there are some rules that we need to follow to keep ourselves safe. Okay. So when you are at home, what are the safety points that you need to keep in mind? First thing, do not touch electrical switches or wires with your wet hands. So you are you just come out of the bathroom, and now you are touching the switch. So this is a wrong thing. Okay, you can get a shock. Do not lean over the balcony railings. So there is a railing if you are living on first floor or second floor or third floor. There is a balcony railing, and do not lean over it because accidentally you can fall. Do not play with fire and matchsticks. This is not a thing to play. Okay, so it can catch fire, it can harm you. So do not play with these things. Okay. Now next, do not open the door for strangers. So do not open the doors because this man is carrying a knife. Okay, so if you do not know the person on the door, do not open it. Do not play with knives, blades, nails and such things when you are at home. So these are again are not the things to play. So do not use this if nobody is around you. So now safety on road. What you can keep in mind when you are walking on the road or you are riding a bicycle on the road, always walk on a footpath. So first thing, there is a footpath along the road. If you are walking on your foot, use a footpath to walk. And this is the reason why it is called as footpath. Somebody who is going with a foot can use this path. Cross the road on zebra crossing. So this is a zebra crossing, white and black strips place. So this is a safe place. This is actually indicating that person with who is walking can cross the road over this area. Okay, so it is a safe path. Wait for traffic light to be green. So now traffic lights, you know, red means stop. Okay, green means go, start moving, and yellow means get ready to move, get ready. You can on your bikes, you can start the engine of your cars. Okay, get ready. So you need to follow it. If the light is red, you have to wait till it becomes green. Now if zebra crossing is not there, see to right and then see to left of your side when you are crossing the road, and then you can cross it. Okay, if there is no zebra crossing, because zebra crossing again is not available every where. Okay. Now safety at the playground. You go to playground for playing. So what are the things you need to focus on? Always follow the rules of the game. So if you are playing in a group, there is one game that you all are playing together. So you need to follow the rules of the game first thing. Play safe games. Play in open field only. Do not just hide into the bushes. Do not go inside any building or temple or anywhere. Okay, alone. Do not play or run on the roads. So just you want to escape from the sight of your friend, just do not run and go to far places. Do not fly kites on the rooftop, you may fall. So again same thing, do not fly the kites on the rooftop because you are just looking upside to your kite and you may fall. Okay. Now safety in the bus or car. Never push others to get into the bus. So you please do not push others to get into the bus. Wait for your turn in a queue. Now what is a queue? In a line. So wait for your turn. Do not get into or get down on a moving bus. If bus has not stopped yet, do not just get into the bus, or do not just get down off the bus. Now never lean out of the windows if you are just, oh, this boy is trying to board the bus while it is moving. So this is a wrong action. Do not just lean out of the windows. Do not put your hands out of the window when it is moving. Do not disturb the driver. It may cause an accident. Do not disturb the driver. Do not talk with him. Do not just have an interaction with the driver, because it can just divert his mind and accident can happen. Now, we should not play with the steering wheel of a vehicle even when the vehicle is not moving. So this is a safety tip. Everybody should follow it. Do not play with the steering or the gears. Okay. Safety in the boating and swimming. So if you love to go for a swimming or you're boating, you have to ride the boat carefully. So first thing, ride the boat carefully. Be seated at one place. So you have a place to sit, just sit there. Do not jump around. Now just do not go here and there, because once you fall, it is very difficult to get you back. Do not go for swimming alone. Use your swimming tube. There is this floaty. It is called as a floaty. Take that tube along with you, and then only you just get into the water. These are the safety things. If you get hurt, what you can do? So even after keeping so many safety tips in our mind, even then accidents can happen anytime. So if it happens, what you have to do? You have to first tell your elders immediately. Do not hide it. Okay. They will help you, first thing. And there is this first help that you can give to your friend if you have get any wound or anything. So treatment given before the doctor arrives is called as first aid. It can be given by anybody, any elder member of your family, maybe your friend. Okay. So this is the first help that anybody can get before the doctor arrives or before the patient has been taken to the doctor. Now in air ambulance service, aeroplanes and helicopters serve as ambulance to carry the patient to a hospital. Mostly seen in the hilly areas, because there the service of ambulance is not that quick. So we cannot play with the life of any injured person or any person that has suffered maybe a heart attack or maybe any accident. So air ambulance is present, in which aeroplanes and helicopters are used to carry the patient to the doctors. Okay. So learn to help others when they are hurt. So first thing, do not just see them. Do not just make a crowd around the injured person. Try to help them also. If a person is hurt, cover the wound with a bandage. So first thing, if there is a wound, open wound from which bleeding is happening, so what you have to do? You have to cover the wound with a bandage. Now take him to a nearest clinic or hospital, or get a doctor. Okay, so these are the things that you can maximally, you can do it to your friend. Now questions. Think and tell. Match the correct signal, traffic signal. I've just explained you in the previous slide. So correct activity. Green light says just go, move. So it says now you can cross the road safely, because no vehicles are moving. Okay. Yellow light, get ready to cross the road. And red light, do not cross the road now, because vehicles are moving. Okay. Now Olympiad test. Question 1 and 2. Refer to the given word grid and answer the question. Now the first thing, the safety tool used in which of the following sport is not hidden in the given grid? The safety tool used in which of the given sports is not hidden in the given grid? Okay, for swimming we have tube. So where is it written? Tube. Okay, let's say now cycling. Cycling is what? Helmet? Maybe this is a helmet. Helmet. Okay, so cycling is hidden here. Cricket. What is it? Sub and knee. Kneecap. Where is kneecap? Can you see it? It is air tube. Foot. No. Which is not hidden in the grid. So only one is hidden in the grid. The swimming. Sorry. Skating. Even cycling and skating both can have this helmet as its thing. Now for swimming we use a tube, okay, or a floaty. Air bag. Where is it? Okay, let's see. Let's leave this question. We'll do it later on. At last, okay. We should cross a road using an X. Find X from the grid. So subway, footbridge, zebra, subway. So subway is a place that is underground, means it is not actually over the road. It is a path that is underground and you can easily go and cross the road because vehicles are moving on the road upside. So subway. This is subway, okay. And only one is left. Swimming, for swimming we use tube. Okay, let's see. Cricket, for cricket we use. Okay, so for cycling you use a helmet. For skating also you use a helmet. And I'm sorry, for cricket also you use this helmet for safety, and only cycling is the correct answer then. Okay, so for for swimming we do not have this tube in this grid. Now understood? They have asked that safety tool for which of the sport is not hidden. So helmet is hidden and helmet is used for all three sports. Swimming is left. So swimming is the correct answer. Oh, I just got puzzled. Choose the correct answer here. We should play on the road, in the classroom, in the open field. Open field, very clear. When we are on the road, run to cross the road, walk in the middle, follow traffic rules. Avoid playing with sharp things, bat and ball and dolls. Avoid playing with sharp things. You can play with a bat and ball and dolls too. Now fill in the blanks. Dash means keeping ourselves away from the harm. Dash means keeping ourselves away from the harm. Safety. Do not open the door for strangers. Okay. Do not play or run on the roads. Never push others to get into the bus. True and false? Okay, tick the correct word printed in italics. So this is italics. You have to tick the correct word. We should fly a kite on the road, in the playground. So correct one is in the playground, not on the road. It is safe to board a moving bus or stationary. Stationary means ruki hui bus, at rest. So moving bus we should not board, but the stationary one. It is safe or dangerous to touch an electrical wire. It is dangerous. If you get hurt, tell your elders that are elder to you for immediate help. Now subjective questions. In brief, what is a zebra crossing? It is a path made for walkers so that they can safely cross the road when light is green. Try 2 safety rules to be taken when you cross a road. Look towards your right and your left and always use a zebra crossing. Name 3 sharp objects that you should not play with. These are scissors, knives and blades. What do you mean by first aid? It is the first help that is given to an injured person. What is the meaning of safety rules? These are the set of rules that everybody should follow to keep themselves safe. Write 3 safety rules to be taken when you are at home. Do not lean over the balcony, and do not place things here and there because you can trip over them, and do not touch the electrical switches when you are wet, or even you are not wet, do not touch them. 3 safety rules to be taken when you are playing. Just do not hide to isolated places and just follow the rules of the game. Okay, they are asking for 3. So follow the rules of the game. Do not push anybody. Do not throw things on anybody. Do not go to isolated place to hide. Okay, so this is all about this chapter, students. Keep learning and happy learning.